There are 8 main parts of speech in English: nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. Each part of speech has a specific function within a sentence, indicating how a word is used to express meaning. 1. Noun. A word that represents a person, place, thing, or idea. Examples: John, city, book, happiness. Example in a sentence: the cat, noun, sat, verb, on the mat, noun. 2. Pronoun. A word that replaces a noun to avoid repetition. Examples: he, she, it, they, we, you. Example in a sentence: John went to the store and he bought milk. He replaces John. 3. Verb. A word that expresses an action or a state of being. Examples: run, is, think, feel, become. Example in a sentence: the dog barked loudly. 4. Adjective. A word that modifies or describes a noun or pronoun. Examples: red, tall, happy, big, old. Example in a sentence: she wore a blue dress. 5. Adverb. A word that modifies a verb, adjective, or another adverb. Examples: quickly, very, often, really, quite. Example in a sentence: the car moved very quickly. 6. Preposition. A word that shows the relationship between a noun or pronoun and other words in the sentence. Examples: in, on, at, under, over, with, to. Example in a sentence: the book is on the table. 7. Conjunction. A word that connects words, phrases, or clauses. Examples: and, but, or, nor, for, so, yet. Example in a sentence: I like coffee, but I prefer tea. 8. Interjection. A word or phrase that expresses emotion. Examples: wow, oh, ouch, hey. Example in a sentence: ouch, that hurt.